I still have a bunch of these wood hearts left over from last year. And I am going to, let's see, I'm gonna start. And I found this cute little palette. I got this at, let's see how smooth it is. I got this at Walmart because I was impatient and I didn't want to wait for my order to come from Chalk Couture. So, because I originally was gonna do this on our palette board. So I thought it would look cute, and then I wouldn't have to paint it, but you know what? We're gonna go for like, hopefully, a whitewash effect. I'm thinking. I mean, you could certainly buy a palette board that's already painted, and I love ours, but I'm thinking I like the look of the wood through this. So I'm just putting some paint on, and then I'm kind of dabbing it off because I don't want this totally white. I just want to be able to see the wood through it. So literally, that's it. So now I'm gonna paint. I'll let that dry for a second, and I'm gonna paint my little hearts because I'm gonna make a little. I don't know if it's considered a shamrock or clover, if that's like the same thing, or I'm not sure. Let's see. We don't need much of this because then I'm gonna chalk on top of this. So I'm not really looking for perfection here, and I may not even paint the sides, honestly. And then the background, I was gonna use, still think this would look good, this, what is this, mini buffalo plaid. But I got this one in the last release, and I never used it. And unfortunately, it is not still available, but that's okay because we have some great background transfers. Like I said, I was gonna use the buffalo check. Or, you know what would look really cute coming out next week? Plaid. Look at that one. Isn't that adorable right there? I love that. I can't wait for that. Fuzz this because it's brand new. Fuzz it a little bit. This one's not super sticky. Some are a little bit more sticky than others. All right, let's see how we like this. Let's see. All right. Using a ton of paste because it's a little bit looser. If I was just doing this not on a live, I'd probably just let it sit with the lid open for a little bit. But what's good is the new paste shouldn't have to do that. Not that it's a big deal, but okay, let's see how that. Oh, I love that! Look at that! I'm afraid to touch it. Let me blow dry it first before I pick it up, because knowing me, I will smudge it. It's trying to blow away on me. That's so cute. Look it. So cute. I love that. Okay, so let's do the other ones. so let's see. I'm gonna put this on here. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. We have a little straw that's gonna be the stem. So let's put that right about, what, there? Right there. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then I found these, I was looking for a tiny tag. And I found these cute little canvas burlap. Oh, there's different shapes. These little, like little canvas tags. Aren't they cute? So there's a bigger one, a smaller one, and then a round one. I like the bigger one. And then I was going through my stash and also found, I was looking for a tiny shamrock. I actually found one in the vintage Chalk add-on, the spring one that just retired. Let's stir this up. Ooh, this is perfect. This one I will use the darker green because I don't think that kiwi would show up very well on this tag. See what size will fit. Oh, maybe I'll do two. Let's see. Believe it or not, I've had this transferred forever, and I don't know that I've ever used it for St. Patrick's Day. That just seems wrong. I don't do a lot of decorating for St. Patrick's Day, but do a little bit. So let's see. Let's see if this cute little shamrock will fit on here. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so cute. So cute. Love it. Look at that little shamrock. Okay, so I'm gonna glue on my little hearts first. I'm just using a glue gun. And I'm not gluing the stem on yet because I want to put some ribbon and other things on it. I just grabbed a whole bunch, not knowing what I was going to want. Ooh, I might add one of these keys too. Remember these vintage keys I used yesterday? Let's see. That one too big? Let's see, let's put the stem. Yeah, I'm going to have to cut the stem. That might look cute with the little tag, little fabric tag. Put those two together, and maybe I'll use this. So let's tie this in here. And oh, the black. Glue it, I'm gonna put that twine underneath and then I'll tie it once it's glued on. So we'll put this, stuff out of the way, tie that, put the twine under here. this one a bow, hopefully. Or maybe I'll just tie it in a knot. Let's see. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna tie it in a knot. I originally was gonna do a bow, but I think we're just gonna do it that way. There is our finished product, our finished project. Cute, simple. That's it for today, and tomorrow we're gonna play with the bunny cutout. So I will see you then.